Welcome to this demo of IDEA. IDEA is a modern and easy-to-use architectural package. First thing to outline that we use DWG as our native file format without any import or export. This gives you an unrivaled compatibility with AutoCAD to exchange files with millions of professionals over the world. Here is an example of a project you could realize with this software. You'll see in the next 5 minutes how easy it is. If you ever used AutoCAD or IntelliCAD in the past, you will also find a very friendly environment. IDEA goes, however, much further with very easy tools to draw in 3D. Let's see first how to draw some walls. After setting some options in the dialog box, I just draw a line and show the software which side is the width of the wall. I can show the length of the wall with the mouse or enter a value with my keyboard. Intersections between walls are automatically cleaned, and you can switch from 2D to 3D view at any time. IDEA brings you a sophisticated BIM technology. Intelligent objects, like these walls, are very easy to modify, copy, trim, extend in a few clicks. You save a lot of time compared to traditional CAD software. Here we'll insert some windows from the library provided. These doors and windows are also intelligent objects. They are inserted in the wall you specify, and the software adjusts the wall accordingly. All these objects are parametric. You can edit the window with a simple double-click on it to display the dialog box, or simply drag the grips of the object. See also how easy it is to add dimensions to your drawing, and how these dimensions are adjusted when a modification is performed. You can also add structural elements such as slabs, columns, and beams. Here we are creating a slab for this floor. Now let's copy this floor and make a second one. If you like, you can activate real-time rendering to draw directly on the photorealistic model with shades, colors, and transparencies. You will probably need also some 2D views of your project. Let's create, for example, a section view. This will create a new DWG file you will see in your project tree. You can modify these 2D drawings to insert, for example, a title block. And if you modify the 3D project, the 2D drawings will be automatically updated. Here we modify the slab, and we can see it already in the section view. IDEA offers also some advanced parametric modeling tools. To begin with, we'll create a roof. In the dialog box, we find multiple shapes and options. Again, this is parametric, therefore you can modify dimensions at any time. As you can see, it takes very few clicks, even to create one with multiple pitches. Here we have 3 shapes, and IDEA is merging them very easily. I don't know if you ever tried to create in 3D a roof with traditional CAD software, such as AutoCAD, but if you ever did, I think you realize how powerful this is. Next step is to create the gable by extending the wall, and this gives you also the possibility to insert later a window in the gable. In this case, we want to insert windows in the roof. We double-click on the roof and choose the type of window. It can be a dormer window, like this one, or a skylight. Okay, so now let's see how it looks in 3D. And back to the first floor, I will add a stairway. This is also something very difficult to draw, but very easy with IDEA. Here we decided to create a custom shape by drawing a polyline and ask the software to use this path. But we can draw stairways of any type. The software can tell you also if the number of steps you define is not compatible with the design you created. And finally, you can define the material used or add some options such as landings or rails. Here we want to add a wooden rail on both sides. Again, we can see here how it looks in 3D. Now, talking about rails, we would like to add one to this balcony. That's pretty easy. We define the type and material, and finally some points. First point, second, third, fourth, and here we are. And to make it look more realistic, we may want to add some objects such as trees outside, people or furnitures. In IDEA we provide different libraries from which you can choose. You may also modify these elements or create some more. To give life to your project, you can also get very nice renderings or even create walkthrough videos. Thanks for listening. You have seen how easily we created these in only 5 minutes. You should try.